Hi guys. Today we are going to develop backend for our app of Housie board. As you can see, I have started a new Flutter project. First of all, I am going to make two directories for front-end and back-end in lib folder. The name of front-end folder will be screens, whereas name of back-end folder will be app config. The app config folder will consist of app functions Dart file, which will have all the main functions. And another Dart file will be app game, which will be having main app backend. In screens folder we will make Dart file with name app home screen, which will basically be our home screen of app. This home screen will have a stateful widget because our app will be changing its state quite frequently when it will be in use. Now, we will clear out the common code. Now, we will make a list of a map, which will be consisting of 90 numbers and a flag with value of bool. We will also make a function to get random numbers. In this function, it will return a random integer, with help of random class's nextInt function. This nextInt function is provided with maximum value which it can produce, and as it also gives 0 as a value, so we will add 1 to it. Now we will make a class, with name game. This class will consist of a static integer with name total moves, which will denote how many moves have been made. And a static list, which will be having all the drawn numbers in it, so we will give it name drawn numbers. Next we make a function with nextMove, which will have integer named myNumber, which will be having a random number as its value. We will have to use a while loop to check whether the number is drawn before or not, so we give parameter to while loop that myNumber -1, because list starts from 0, has its flag true? If yes, then it will again assign new random number to it. If not, then it will go further. Next, if the flag of that number is false, then we change it to true. Then we add that number to draw number list. And increment the total moves value by 1. Then we create another function to restart the game. This function will reset all the values to its initial values. Thanks for watching. We will test this backend in the next video. So subscribe the channel to not miss it.